I told you in the chapter number 4, constituting a quadratic equation from the word problem. The questions I made solve yesterday, the question number 2nd, the first of that, okay, and represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. Okay. The first question I gave as an assignment, and some of the student have asked me the question number first of the second. So, I am telling the first of the second questions. Okay. This is a word problem, and that is to be used to solve for as a right now. And what we can speak here, this the question is to be there. Okay. Have look this, what I am talking to is a simple typical question. It is, you may just understand here. You may say this, what type of questions is there and what the question is saying. Okay. Area of rectangular plot is 528 meter square. Area of rectangular plot is 528 meter square. Okay. So, it is talking about a rectangular plot. So, we first have to make a what we can say a picturization of the situation, what exactly is happening. Suppose this is a rectangular plot is before you. Okay, it is A B C D is a rectangular plot, and generally this is called its length and this is called its width. Is that clear? This can also be called width and this also can be speak here this as length. Clear? So, what the questioner is asking here, this is asking 528 meter square. So, what is this? Please tell me. This is the 520 meter square, this is its area, and what the area is. So, you just have to know the area is ever taken as what the area is to be taken here. The area inside this is the area here, the space inside this is called the area, right. So, this is 528 meter square. Is that clear, guys? So, what the questioner is asking, I am telling this. Okay. So, the length of plot is one more than twice its breadth. So, twice its breadth you may see here, the two quantities are known here. So, you can suppose the length is x, okay, the length is x and the width is y. The width can be supposed as y, this can be supposed as y. So, it is x and this is y. Clear? So, what we can write here, please tell me. It is very simple, it is area of this here. So, let the breadth is, let the breadth, and what the breadth is, let the breadth is what here be, breadth is be x, the unit x is there. Okay. And length also can be supposed as length is equal to, therefore, length is equal to y is to be supposed. Clear? Y breadth we have supposed as x, not only we can also suppose the breadth as x y, right, but the width is actually depending independent variable and here is more than twice that is. Okay. So, what the first case is, so you may see the first case. The first case is saying here the area is 528. So, area is what here, area of rectangular plot is what, it is made up of length into breadth. So, what the length is, the length is x and y, this is what, this is area 528 meter square. This is one relationship is coming here, this about the rectangular plot. Now, the second question is the length of plot is one more than, this is the second case. The second case is, see guys, the two cases we are solving this questions is not necessary ever to, it actually give us the clue to make the two cases to be resolved in the word form. Okay. It depends on the question, it is not a hard rule to set the two cases here, to resolve the two cases, the situations to be resolved in the two cases, and two cases to be, sometimes one of the two cases is used as a initialization and declaration. Clear? So, is more one more twice its breadth, one more twice its breadth. The length of plot is, length is what, the length we have suppose is y. So, you may see this y is one more than means plus 1, twice its breadth means 2 of x. Is that clear? You just have to understand here this. Again listen here, what the questioner is saying here, one more than twice its breadth is this here, one more than is this. Is that clear? Right, guys? So, how can we simplify this? There is before you. So, there are the two cases are, and we are to use this, as, okay. So, substitute y in equation first. Okay, substitute y in equation first. What the y is? This is y 2x plus. So it shall be x, and the value of y is 2x plus 1 is equal to 528. Clear? Now do multiply 2x square plus x, and what is that here? 528. Clear? And further is to be there 2 of x square plus x, and 528 is equal to 0. Now the quadratic equations we have obtained before you. Is that clear? Can we simplify this further? Obviously no. So this the quadratic equation. There are the two portions of the solution. First is to bring the quadratic equations right now, and second is to solve the quadratic equation. So solving quadratic equations is by the what method, please tell me? Yes, middle term splitting method can be used. Is saying the question here to solve this here? Form quadratic equation, right? Find the length and breadth. Is saying here this clearly. Okay, so we need to find this. Is that clear, guys? So start to finding the cells. So middle term splitting method I am telling you. So for this we have to take 528, okay, into what first is 2. These to be broken in the factors, minimum factors, and from these two factors to be composed, whose sum or difference must be the middle term. What the middle term coefficient? 1. The coefficient of x is 1 here. So 528 is to be broken as factor here. So first you will break as 2. So what will come here is we can factorize it. This is our work here. Okay, it's not necessary to factorize it and the representation, but you will write 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, and 2 4s are again 1 is 3 is and 2 is okay, again 2 6 is and what is and 6 is, and again 2 is there also, it's a 3 3, and furthermore 3 3 1 1. So what the factors are coming here, displacement x factor are 1 2 3 4 times 2 and 3 11. So 1 2 3 4, it's a 3 and it's 11 and again 2. So these factors are there. So from these factors we have to make two factors such that whose sum or difference must be 1. So we are taking to this. How many 2s are here? 1 2 3 4 5 2s are here. So 3 together we will take here, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. Okay, and 8 3s are what we will take here? 8 3s are 24 can be taken here. Okay, and 8 3s are 24. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3 are 24. Okay, and 11 3s are what here, please tell me? So this together 11 3s are 33, and 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 can come here. The two factors we made here from this. So can we set them as difference or sum to bring 1? Okay, so their sum is 65, obviously it's appearing, but the difference is 1. 33 minus 32 is 1 there giving. Okay, so 2 of x square, and here what will write here? 33 minus 32. Okay, and outside this. So now we reached here up to that. Clear? And further what is to be done? It's a 2 of x square, and here 33x minus 32x and minus 528 is equal to 0. You may see this. So if you will see this expression, then you will find here the 2 are positive, okay, and the 2 are negative. This is a checker step we call right now. So it means that we are going right. Okay, now taken common between them. What is common in them? X is common, and 2x left here this please, and what's left here? 33 is there, but x square will not here. Why? Because one x has been taken common, only x is common in them. And what is common later? Minus first common, and 32. 32 means how many times 2's are here? 5 times 2's here, and it's made up of, yes, this is together is called 528. So 4 times 2 is already common here then. So 4 times 2 means what? 16 is common in them. So what's left here? 2x left here, and plus here what left, please? 11 and 3. So it's what left here? 33. This can be difficult for understanding, but it's very easy to understand. It's 0. Clear? What is throughout common? 2x plus, there is this also, and here is x minus 16 is equal to 0. So throughout 2x plus 33 is equal to 0, means this is to be taken as equal to 0, and x minus 16, not plus 16. Okay, it's x minus 16 is equal to 0. Clear? So, what will here this please? 16, and what next is 2x is equal to minus 33, x is equal to minus 33 by 2. Is that clear? So, what the two answers are now coming here for the x? First value for the x is coming minus 33 by 2. Obviously, negative cannot be there, means length and breadth cannot be negative. So, this is 16 is coming here. So, you will write answer. Therefore, breadth is what the breadth is? Breadth B is equal to 16 meter, we can take unit here, and also length is what the length is, please tell me. The length is before you may see what the length is coming here. Okay, what the length is? Length is 2x plus 1. So, 2 into 16 plus 1 is equal to 33. Your answer is okay. So, the two things here, remember you please. Okay, this is the method of solving question. So, how many steps are involved in that? First step yours is to convert the equation in the symbolic form, okay, and then needs to solve the questions further. Is that clear? There is the steps of solutions before you. Okay, this is the most important activity of the chapter. Clear? Right guys? Well understood or not? So, this is the solution here. Now, I am telling the next. The another question also a student have asked me. The question number this, the product of two consecutive. Consecutive means you can solve this. What consecutive you will suppose here? For the consecutive you will take here one number is x and the other is x plus 1. Consecutive means one after other, one after, right now. So, there is the x and x plus 1, their product is 300. So, you can take m as a product 306 and obtain a quadratic equation. You will obtain here it's x square plus x, and here to be transferred that minus 306 is equal to 0. There is a quadratic equation before you and solve this quadratic equation, obtain the answer. Clear or not? So, I think some student also have asked about the question number 4. Okay, a train travel a distance of 480 kilometer from. This question some student have asked me. So, I am telling the question this also. Clear? So, what is it saying? Please listen the question. It's very clear question is there. Okay. So, very simple question also this is. You may read the question here. What the question is saying here? The question is saying that a train travel, you may understand this. What is it saying here? A train travel 480 kilometer at uniform speed. The speed is unknown. Okay, the speed is unknown. If the speed had been 8 kilometer less, means this is the case. What had been means would have been less, means made less. Okay, would have been, this would have been, it's not right. So, this is the case. Then would have taken 33 hours more to cover, means this would be the time here. The town will be new also. Okay. So, we need to find the speed. So, we need to find the speed. Speed is unknown here. So, our task is to find out the speed. So, how can we find out the speeds? So, your unknown term says what? Speed. So, your solution must begin from where from? Please tell me. The solution must begin from let the speed. Okay. Let the speed be what here? X kilometer per hour. One variable is to be taken, x kilometer per hour. So, what the second is given, distance is also given. Since what the distance is given here, what is the distance? Distance is here 480 kilometer. So, if you have supposed speed, the distance is given. So, from these two, in the phenomena of the speed, distance, time, traveling, this, what can you find the third distance? So, therefore, you can find out the time schedule, you can find out what the time is there. So, time is there, distance upon, right, distance upon, yeah, this is this here, it's a time t is equal to distance upon speed. Is that clear? Distance upon speed. So, here distance upon speed is there. Okay. So, can we do this further? if the speed had been 8 km less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. 3 hours more to cover the same distance. 3 hours more to cover. This is a case here. So what the case is saying here? What the case is? Look, the case is, if then would have taken 3 hours more to cover. This was if the speed would have been taken. What will be same in the both case here? In both the cases, distance will same here. It's a speed is time here. So what the distance? The distance is 480. Okay, and what the speed is? Speed is x. If the speed were where the speed had been taken 8 less, 8 minus x minus 8 into what is t? T is here 3 hours. So the 3 hours is not here. The t time is this. I think this is the time here. Okay. So what the case is saying? The time 3 hour more. 3 hour more. Where the time? This is the time here. So in that 3 hour more he will take here. That is minus 3. Okay. So this is your time and this is your speed. So speed into time, again the distance will come here as it is, right guys. So this is actually the main point, main solution point of the body we can speak. Okay. See the next please. What is it saying? Now is to be solved. This is 480 is equal to, this is to be multiplied that. So 480 by x into x and x into 3 minus 3x and minus 8 into 480 by x and minus plus 8 3 is 24. This is now the expression coming, and further this can be written as x cancel. It shall be 480 and 3x or 30x. It's a 3x minus 8 into 480. And one trick I want to tell you, do not compose the, okay, the value data is not to be composed here, or here is 480 is coming, clear. So what will here this 480 from either side cancels because same data is there. And what the next we have, then the expression next is here 0 is there, and here is minus 3 of x and 8 times 480 plus 24 and here only x. So all to be here this denominator. So all expression can be multiplied as x. Here is to be 0 and here will be 3 of x square and x cancelled here, 8 into 480 and it's a 24x. So you may see this term will give without x, this is single x, this is square of x. So this typical expression can be written first. All term can be brought left hand side, 3x square minus 24x plus 8 times 480. See guys, I am not compositing this. Why not compositing this? We don't need to composite it. If we will composite them, 3x square minus 24x. If we will composite them, then what would happen? So on compositing them, obviously these on compositing a complex number will appear, and on complex number how can we see the factorization here? So already we need to factorize to set the middle term. So what? So middle term splitting method we are using here. Okay. So 480 is to be more factorized it. 2, how many times is 2 there, 4 there, 0, again 2, 1 to 0, okay, again 2, 60 is there, again 2, what is here please, 30, again 2, 15 is there, again what is that, 3 here, 5 is there also, and again 5 is there also, clear. So how many factors are there? 2, 2, 3, 5 times 2 and 35, 5 times 2 and 35, okay, and 8 is there also. So the rough work I am telling how to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and what next is also there, 3 and 5, 3 and 5, and 8 is also coming here, this where the 8 is, this 8 is there, okay, and here this 3 is also, okay. So here 480 into 8 into 3, this thing also here is 3 is there. So from these we have to make the two factors such their difference or sum must come here 24. So the trick is there, how many 2's are here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2's are here. So 3 2 together can be taken as, so it will make here 8, okay. So 8 8's are 64 can be there, okay, so it's 64, and 3 3's are 9, 9 5's are 42, 42 2's are 90. These two factors we made here. What is the difference between them? So sum will be exceed, okay, and the difference will be here and what is that? It's minus, plus, negative, negative and positive. Okay, I think we can cancel here. One thing is this, so quite complex it is, however it can be solved, but one thing I am telling you that you have to do always in the expression. Okay, what I am telling you, if you will see here in the expression all, it's a first term, second and the third term, you may see some common factor between them. Obviously the 3 is common, so you can divide all expression by this. Okay, you may see 3 is how common it is, this 3 is common in that, this 3 also common in that, this 3 also in that, so we can divide it. So 3 divided by 3, so it can be written as a x square minus 8 times x, and here 8 don't, so what will here 12 or 16, 16 3, so here will be, okay, 160 will come here, it's 0. Now more smaller data this become here, so these will not come, so 3 is to be cancelled here. So what again here this, so factors will be changed here now, new factors will be here, this many factors being changed and new factors will come here. So what will be the new factor here? So your new factor will be here 8, it's 8 and 60, so 8 and 60 is what, 2 goes 80, again 2 become 40, again 2 become 20, again 2 become 10, again 2 become 5. These are the now factors coming, and to set them to bring 8 as, so how can we do this? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Okay, so here together will give 16, so 16 2s are 32 together, all 32, and 8 5s are 40, means 40 and 32, the two factors we made here from these, where their sum is coming what, 72, and their difference is coming 8, yes is coming, it is. So they can be set as minus 40 minus 32, and what here further, it's 8 into 160 is equal to 0. So this can be written x square and 40 of x, 32x and 8 into 160 is equal to 0. So you may see here this 1, 2, 3 and 4 is there, 4 terms are there together. So what can we do here? These 2 are there, these 2 are there. What is common in them first? X is common, x minus 40 and 32 is 2 common here. It's left here x only, and as minus is taken common, so minus will occur here. So 32 is common from this. 160 is made up of, where 160, this is 160 you may see. Okay, so 5 2s it having this, so 5 2s 32 common, and what's left here? So 5 2 is common here, and what's left here? 5 only, so 5 8s are 40, so here will come 40 also. Clear? Throughout 0. So throughout what is common here? It's x minus 40 and left x minus 32 is equal to 0. So since x minus 40 is equal to 0, the first step, second is x minus 32 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 40 and x is equal to 32. Here answer is, so x2 values are coming here. Now which value will satisfy the expression? Which value will come and use as answer? Both can be here, but cases has to be there. But the first is there, x kilometer the speed is there. Okay, so what the distance is 40. So your time schedule is there. Wait a minute please. It's a, if you have taken plus, minus is coming here. That's minus. So minus is there. Okay, x minus 30. So you will write here, if x is equal to 40, then what is the value of x is what? Speed. There's two cases to be there, could be here. If the speed is there, speed is 40, then time is what here? 480 minus 40. So it shall be what here? 0 0 cancel. Here will be what? Here will be 12 hours. Time will be 12 hours. Time will be 12 hours. But if the speed x is what? 32, then what will here? Then time is what? 480 divided by 32. So what shall be it is? 16 2s are 32 and 16 3s are 48. Again here will what? 15 will come here. This is, so 15 hours is there. Okay, so the two answer can be here this. So what answer is correct too? So you may understand this according to the cases here. The two answer can come here this minute. You may say for the solution, the different linear quadratic equation, the two solutions are coming as its degree is 2. One of the answer will be there. Okay. Now, next what I am telling to the question number next of the same type. So, this well understood you, and this questions I told you, and this typical question comes in examination. Now, the second topic is there. The second topic is solutions of linear solutions of quadratic equation by factorization. What the factorization? What the method we have been learning till now, this is called the quadratic, this is called the factorization. Okay, this method you have learned. Middle term splitting is called factorization. So, the same as it is done here, you may see this is the factorization, is called middle term splitting method. So, factorization actually you have learned in the previous classes, factorization method. I am telling what the factorization method. So, factorization of what? Quadratic, can be quadratic polynomial or equation, can be done in two ways. First is by splitting what? Middle term, and second by using formula, algebraic formula, and in that we will by factoring middle term. And another method will also come here. This factorization will also be done by completing square method. Completing square method. So, what is called completing square method? What is called that? Okay, completing square method I will also tell you. So, we have been studying the splitting middle term method. What is that? So, a question is there before you. Okay, this question, the factorization method by we have to do this. Okay, it's very simple. I am telling the factor middle term splitting method. Okay, look this. What typical questions is there? So, if you will see, the term is the standard equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Middle term is this, these are to be used as a middle term splitting this. Okay. So, what is that? 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 1 is also a factor here. So, these 3 from, okay, we have to make 2 such factors whose sum or difference is there 5. So, first very initially 3 1 is 3 there and 2. So, 2 plus 3 5. Okay. And we also can set here 2 3s are 6 and minus 1, 6 minus 1 5 and 2 plus 3, 2 way are there here. Is that clear? So, which way will be the best use for that? So, we will see the situation. If we will take one of the is negative, so here due to negative the one will be negative and one will be positive. So, 2 already positive are here. So, 3 positivity will create here. So, this way is not to be taken. Okay, this is the right way for that. So, this can be taken as what? 2 of x square minus, in place of 5 what can we write? 2 plus 3 and outside there x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2 of x square and 2 of x minus 3 of x plus 3 is equal to 0. So, what is common in them? What is common in them? So, 2 x is common here, x minus 1 left here, and minus 3 common, x minus 1 left here. Clear? So, what is throughout common? X minus 1 is throughout common. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So, what is 2x minus 3? X minus 1 is equal to 0 first case, and the second case is this also. So, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3 by 2. Is that clear or not? So, what the answer is there? Please tell me. Your answer is x is equal to 1 and it is a 3 by 2. Clear? The two answers is there. Well understood you. Now, next, this is the factorization. It is called the middle term splitting method. I hope you can do this question because you already taught this now and you have been studying this from the since last class. Okay. So, it's well. However, if you can't understand this, then see the 1-2 examples in online video of that. Okay. So, understood the process of factorization. Another question is also there, this. So, again I am telling you how to split the middle term. The middle term can be split in a very easy way. I am telling this how to. Suppose that there what the first term is The first term is I think here 6 and the last term is 2. So 6 and 2 are to be set to bring, what is the coefficient here? 1 is to be brought here. So 6 plus 2 8, but 1 we have to bring. 6 minus 2 4, not. So split this again, 3 and it's 2 and it's 2. So from these two we make here 4 and here is 3. So 3 plus 4 7, it's not coming 1, and 3 minus 4, 4 minus 3 1. Yes, this is the best arrangement here, 4 minus 3. So actually we have obtained the splitters right now, splitters by using the first and last. So this can be written as a 6x square minus 4 minus 3, and outside there x and 2 there also is equal to 0. Further can be written as 4x square, 4x plus 3 and minus 2. Look how many, it's a positive, it's a positive, it's negative, it's negative. Is that clear now? So out of them the different are positive, different are negative. So now further to solve here and obtain answer. Is that clear guys? Right now see again the middle term splitting we have been studying. Again we can do this question difficult for you. Then why I am telling this? What is the first term here? Please tell me. 3. What is the last term here? 2, and 1 is also a factor. So these are to be made in two factors such that the sum and difference is here 2 root 6. The difficulty is there. The factors we are available to us are 3 to 1. They are whole, and we have to bring as irrational. Means from the rational factor, how can we bring irrational? So we need to provide this. I'm telling this, root 2 into root 2 together give you 2. So we can understand the 2 is composed of root 2. 3 can composed of root 3. So from this we need to make here 6. So how can we do this? 6 can be done by, I'm telling, 2 3s are 6 into 1, the two factors we made here. So this can be written as a root 6 and root 6. The 2 are there here. Okay, 1 also. So root 6 1 is root 6 and root 6. The 2 root 6 here. If you will add them, so 2 times root 6 will be written here. This could be difficult for you. Okay, the arrangement of this typical is different here. So see this video again for the previous reverse that for 1 minute. You will understand. Okay, so root 6 plus root 6, 2 times root 6 is there. So what will be the arrangement here? Yeah, your factorization will be 3 times x square minus, here will what, root 6 plus root 6, and what next bit is outside x there, plus what, 2 is equal to 0. Now do solve this. So here will be 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. In these two, what is common in these two? In these two, I think what's common? It's a root 6, it's a 3. So root 6 is made up of 3, root 3 and root 2 can be inside this, and 3 can have here root 3, 2 times root 3 this can have. So 1 time root 3 common, and x is also common in them. 1 time root 3 common and x is common. So this can be written root 3x, and what left inside the bracket? It's a root 3 and x only, and minus root 2 is there also. Clear? Well understood here? So what further can be done here? This. So we can do this and the next step is to be written here. What is common in them? Here I think root 2 is common only. So what left here? Root 3x and minus root 2 is there. Why minus? Because here is plus and 1 minus is taken common. Clear? And what is throughout common? Throughout is root 3x minus root 2, and the next will be here root 3x and root 2. Okay, this is now factorization, and zeros can be found out further. The value of x can be calculated. This you will put, since root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0, you will take. So root 3x is equal to root 2. So x is equal to 2 by root 3, and root 3x minus root 2x, again same will come here, right? So this is an activity to solve that questionnaires. Okay, these typical questions are important according to examination point of view, and just you have to note, understand, just you have to note this also question. Okay, please will solve the questions by yourself. Clear, right guys? So we'll understand here this, what is the manner of solving this question. Now next is there, the word problem is there, same is to be done here this. So different questions are there in 4.2 exercise. See guys, we are solving less questions 4.2 exercise, but in StudyMilk you find a lot of questions are there. Okay, so your assignment of the day today is the first question you will do, and first 5 questions you will do by middle term splitting method, and then later we will discuss also these 3 questions you will solve. Okay guys, thank you very much, have a nice day.